I'm Ace. Good to have you here. Let me ask you something. What if a handful of tiny local search queries could reliably cover a utility bill or 1 month of rent? Imagine a 3-paragraph page answering one specific local question, quietly making a few $dozen a month year after year. Think about that for a moment. Here's the thing. Most creators chase broad niches and lose to big brands. The smarter move? Hunt for tiny pockets of local intent. The questions people type when they need something solved right now in their town. These queries are durable, low competition, and often ignored. And that matters because one person can build, test, and maintain a bunch of these micro assets without a team. So how do you find these pockets? Let's take a closer look. Start with manual signals you can reach today. Read local reviews on Google and Yelp, scan job boards for service keywords, and watch the language people use in community forums. Autocomplete, and people also ask, are gold? Type your city plus a service or product and watch what drops in. Cheap scraping, just a few queries a day, lets you collect repeating phrases that indicate real intent. A quick tactic. Pick a city and list 20 long-tail searches you see in autocomplete and reviews. Filter for queries that show clear buyer or action intent. Words like near me now, drop off, how to dispose, installation costs. Those are the ones that convert. Prioritize by ease. Pick queries where the top results are forums, business directories, or outdated pages. That's your opening. Now this is where it gets interesting. How you convert that tiny search into money without a brand. The simplest pattern is a faceless, single problem landing page that answers the question and points to a next step. Keep it lean. Headline, quick answer, 3 short bullets about options, a clear CTA, and 1 or 2 trust signals. Micro reviews and service pairing pages work great too. Compare 2 affordable fixes, link to the cheapest affiliate or local partner, and your visitor has 1 small choice to make. Microcopy matters here. Use local details, neighborhood names, transit points, or nearby landmarks to show relevance. Add a short testimonial or a quoted line from a review, even if it's anonymous. Save me a trip is better than nothing. And be explicit about the next step. If they need to buy a replacement part, send them to the right product page. If they need a service, offer a call scheduler or a partner link. Trust is tiny, but it's essential. Next, fulfill. There are 3 reliable low-effort pairings you can use. 1, affiliate plus how-to guide. Pair a short guide that answers the question with affiliate links for tools or kits. 2, downloadable checklist plus paid consult. Offer a $7 checklist that solves the initial problem and upsell a 30-minute consult. 3, local fulfillment via partners. Send leads to a vetted local partner and take a referral fee. Each has trade-offs. Affiliates are simple but low margin. Checklists build audience and pricing control. Partners can scale but add dependency. A quick rule of thumb on margins. Aim for a per visit expected value you can track. If a page gets 500 visits a month and your total monetization yields $150, that's 30 cents per visit. With basic SEO and a few pages, stacking 10 of these gets interesting fast. Diversify your monetization on each page. Affiliate plus a free guide to capture email plus an optional consult so you don't rely on a single partner. Let me walk through a short, realistic example. Picture this. You find a repeated search in a medium-sized city. Where to recycle propane tanks. City. The top results are forum threads and a municipal page with a stale layout. You build a 600-word page. Clear headline, map and drop-off options, a short safety checklist, and an affiliate link to a $9 disposal adapter kit plus a downloadable PDF for $5. Timing. Research and list your 20 queries in 1 afternoon. Draft and publish the page the next day. Promote locally for a week. Share in local groups. Post to a subreddit. Reply to relevant forum threads with a link. In 4 weeks, with a handful of backlinks and the right title tag, the the page starts getting 200 to 600 visits a month. Conversion math. 600 visits times 1% affiliate conversion times $5 net per sale equals $30. Plus PDF sales at a 0.5% conversion times $5 equals another $15. That's $45 a month from one simple page. Not viral, but predictable. You run into 3 common risks: tiny search volume, partner dependency, and low trust on faceless pages. Mitigate them by validating first, watch search snippets for a week, test a single article, and only build the ones that show repeated intent. Use 2 or 3 monetization paths per page. Add minimal credibility, local details, a short quoted review, and transparent pricing. And run a 30-day conversion test before scaling. Want a 5-step weekend plan you can follow? Here it is. Fast. 1. Pick a city and collect 20 local long-tail queries. 2. Filter for clear action intent and low-quality top results. 3. Draft 1 focus, faceless page, answer, options, CTA, 1 trust snippet. 4. Add a monetization stack, affiliate link, $5 checklist, and a consult option. 5. Promote locally for 7 days and watch the analytics. That's your minimum viable micro asset. The deeper question is, which of those 20 queries do you start with? My heuristic: pick the one with the least competition and the clearest transactional intent. If you can answer the question in a single scroll and show a tiny way to buy or book, that's your winner. Let's connect the dots. Start small, measure, and replicate. Before you go, here's one practical action to take right now. Open a new document and type your city. Then list 5 questions you'd ask if you needed something solved this week. Dispose, install, repair, rent, or emergency fix. Those 5 are your immediate hypothesis set. Pick one, validate with autocomplete and a 2-minute review of top results, and publish a single page this weekend. That small step is the start of a stackable system. If this approach landed and you want more systems-led breakdowns like this, how to scale these pages, how to automate content creation safely with AI, and how to run split tests on microcopy, subscribe and I'll keep sending practical, no-fluff episodes. I'm Ace. Well, that's enough to think about for today. Appreciate you spending a few minutes with me. I'll catch you in the next one.